Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best products for your home and outdoor needs. Today, we're going to talk about something essential for pool owners: the Liberty Gold Standard Water Test Strips, a comprehensive solution to keep your pool or spa water in perfect condition. Whether you own a pool, hot tub, or spa, maintaining proper water quality is crucial for both safety and enjoyment, and these test strips make it easier than ever to do just that. With the Liberty Gold Standard Water Test Strips, you'll have everything you need to test the key factors that affect water quality. This 121-piece kit provides a complete set of tests for 7 critical water parameters: total and free chlorine, hard water hardness, bromine, total alkalinity, pH, cyanuric acid, and more. These strips are ideal for pools, spas, and hot tubs, offering all-in-one testing in just a single strip. One of the standout features of these strips is the rapid results. In just 30 seconds, you can dip a strip into the water, wait for the results, and compare them to the easy-to-read color chart included with the kit. It's a fast, straightforward process that eliminates the need for messy liquids or complicated equipment. When it comes to accuracy, the Liberty Gold Standard Test Strips are designed to be reliable and precise. These strips follow U.S. Health Organization guidelines for optimal chemical levels, making sure that your pool or spa is always safe for use. The kit comes with 120 strips sealed in 2 separate bottles, ensuring a long shelf life, and it also includes a detailed instruction booklet to guide you through the testing process. Plus, there's a bonus test tube included to help you collect water samples more easily. This product is not only reliable but also affordable, giving you the tools to keep your pool or spa water at its best without breaking the bank. And, with a 100% satisfaction guarantee, you can be confident that you're making a wise investment in your water quality. In conclusion, if you're looking for an easy, reliable, and affordable way to maintain the perfect water quality in your pool, spa, or hot tub, the Liberty Gold Standard Water Test Strips are an excellent choice. These strips provide quick, accurate results for all the important water parameters, ensuring that your water stays safe and clean all year long. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more reviews of the best products on the market. See you in the next video.